Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just a cute sound. That rumble is your body's way of saying, hey, feed me, or I might get hangry. But here's the kicker. It's actually a survival mechanism. When you hear that growl, your brain is screaming for energy. But wait, there's more. Studies show that the louder your growl, the more likely you are to make poor food choices. Yup, that's right. Those chips suddenly look like a 5-star meal. So next time your stomach is auditioning for a horror movie, remember, it's not just noise, it's your body's quirky way of keeping you alive and alert. Isn't that wild?